Jungles, often unexplored and mysterious, are filled with enigmas that baffle even the most experienced explorers. From strange creatures to unexplained phenomena, these hidden wonders are a testament to the vast unknown that still exists on our planet. This video uncovers 15 such inexplicable jungle discoveries that have puzzled scientists and researchers alike. Number 1. Unidentified creature tracks. In the dense and remote parts of the Amazon rainforest, an exploration team stumbled upon something truly mystifying. A series of unidentified creature tracks left a trail that seemed to lead nowhere. These were no ordinary animal prints. The size and shape were unlike any known species in the region. The tracks, each measuring nearly 2 feet across, appeared to be fresh. They were deep impressions with sharp claw marks and an unusual gait pattern that suggested a bipedal creature. No known animal in the Amazon, not even the largest of the big cats, could leave such prints. Local guides were equally puzzled, and some even appeared fearful, whispering of legends and folklore about monstrous beings that roamed the jungle at night. Their stories were dismissed as superstition, but the tracks were real, tangible evidence of something unknown. Biologists and zoologists were called in to study the prints, but they were left equally baffled. The tracks did not match any recorded species, and the unique gait pattern did not align with common quadrupeds. Some hypothesized a new species, perhaps a large primate, while others considered the possibility of a deformed or mutated animal. Drones and cameras were set up in the hopes of capturing the elusive creature on film, but the efforts were in vain. The tracks seemed to disappear into the dense foliage, leading to a labyrinth of trees and undergrowth where technology failed to penetrate. The mystery of the unidentified creature tracks remains unsolved, fueling speculation and intrigue. Some consider it a hoax, despite the credible eyewitness accounts and physical evidence. Others believe it's proof of undiscovered species lurking in the uncharted territories of our planet. Number 2. Mysterious lost city ruins. In the heart of the dense jungles of Central America, a discovery was made that would captivate archaeologists and historians alike. A team of explorers, following an ancient map, stumbled upon the ruins of what appeared to be a lost city, hidden for centuries beneath the thick canopy and overgrown vegetation. The city's structures, though worn and overtaken by nature, were grand and intricate, showing signs of a highly sophisticated civilization. Temples, plazas, and stone statues stood in silent testimony to a culture that thrived in isolation and then vanished without a trace. What baffled the researchers were not just the size and complexity of the ruins, but the lack of any identifiable markers linking them to known civilizations, such as the Mayans or Aztecs. The architecture was distinct, the carvings were unfamiliar, and even the tools and artifacts found were unrecognizable. Efforts to date the city were equally perplexing. Some structures appeared to be thousands of years old, while others seemed much more recent. The inconsistency in dating added to the enigma, making it difficult to place the city within a specific time frame or cultural context. Local legends spoke of a city hidden by the gods, a place of wisdom and power that was concealed to protect its secrets. These tales were considered mere myths, but the discovery of the city gave new life to the stories, adding a layer of mystique to the scientific investigation. Despite extensive research, the purpose of the city remains a mystery. Was it a ceremonial center, a hub of trade, or a sanctuary for a select few? The layout of the buildings, the placement of the statues, and even the alignment with celestial bodies raised more questions than answers. The city seemed to be designed with intention and knowledge, hinting at astronomical understanding and religious significance. Yet no records, inscriptions, or evidence of written language have been found, leaving the city's origin and downfall a subject of speculation and debate. As the exploration continues, the city remains a tantalizing puzzle, an archaeological enigma that challenges our understanding of history and culture. The more we uncover, the more mysterious it becomes, a labyrinth of unanswered questions and hidden meanings. Number 3. Unexplained glowing plants. Deep within the Southeast Asian rainforests lies a phenomenon that both amazes and mystifies botanists and explorers: plants that glow. In a region known for its rich biodiversity, the discovery of unexplained glowing plants added another layer of wonder to these already fascinating jungles. These plants, found in remote, untouched parts of the jungle, emit a soft, ethereal glow that illuminates the darkness of the forest floor. Unlike bioluminescent organisms found in the ocean, these plants don't just reflect light, they seem to generate it, bathing the surrounding area in an otherworldly green luminescence. Upon discovery, scientists were eager to unravel the secret behind this phenomenon. Initial theories suggested a relationship with known bioluminescent fungi or bacteria, but the plant's structure and chemistry did not support these ideas. The glow wasn't merely a reflection of something else, it appeared to be an intrinsic property of the plants themselves. Extensive research and experimentation led to even more puzzling findings. The plants showed no signs of containing luciferase, the enzyme responsible for bioluminescence in other organisms. Moreover, they seemed to glow continuously, without any apparent trigger such as touch or a specific time of day. The local indigenous communities were well aware of these glowing plants, considering them both sacred and mysterious. According to their traditions, these unique plants held spiritual significance, symbolizing life, death, and rebirth, and were believed to be connected to the unseen forces of the forest. Attempts to cultivate or transplant these plants outside their natural habitat have consistently failed, adding to their enigmatic nature. They seem to be deeply tied to their specific ecological niche, requiring a combination of soil, climate, and perhaps even unseen energy that science has yet to identify. The unexplained glowing plants have not only captured the imagination of the scientific community, but also inspired artists, poets, and dreamers. Their luminous beauty and mysterious origin have become symbols of nature's endless capacity for wonder and the unknown realms that await discovery. Despite numerous studies and relentless inquiry, the riddle of the glowing plants remains unsolved. They challenge our understanding of biology and ecology, presenting a phenomenon that defies conventional explanations. The enigmatic glow of these plants beckons us to look closer, to question our assumptions, and to embrace the mystery. They remind us that in the dense, hidden corners of our world, there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered, phenomena that transcend our current understanding, and wonders that inspire awe and curiosity. Number 4. Ancient tribal artifacts. Nestled in the remote corners of the African Congo Basin, a startling discovery was made that sent ripples through the anthropological community. A cache of ancient tribal artifacts, unlike anything ever seen before, was uncovered in a hidden cave, untouched by time and preserved in pristine condition. The artifacts were meticulously crafted, displaying a level of sophistication and artistry that defied explanation. Among the collection were intricately carved masks, ornate jewelry, unique pottery, and a series of strange symbols etched into stone tablets. What caught the researchers' attention, however, was the distinct style and materials used, which did not correspond to any known tribal culture in the region. Preliminary analysis dated the artifacts to be thousands of years old, potentially predating any established civilization in the area. The craftsmanship exhibited techniques and designs that seemed ahead of their time, challenging existing historical timelines and cultural evolution theories. Local tribes, although familiar with the cave's existence, treated it with reverence and caution, considering it a sacred and forbidden place. According to their oral traditions, the cave was the dwelling of ancient spirits, and the artifacts were remnants of a lost civilization that once possessed wisdom and powers beyond understanding. The mystery deepened as further examination of the artifacts revealed a complexity that suggested advanced knowledge in metallurgy, astronomy, and even philosophy. The symbols on the stone tablets, although still undeciphered, seemed to follow a logical and structured pattern, hinting at a written language or a system of knowledge transmission. Efforts to link the artifacts to any known tribes or historical periods have proven futile. The unique combination of materials, design, and symbolism does not match any recognized cultural lineage. The artifacts seem to stand alone, representing a civilization or culture that vanished without a trace. The discovery of these ancient tribal artifacts has not only opened a new chapter in anthropological studies, but also ignited the imagination of those who seek to understand our shared human heritage. They are a window into a mysterious past, a glimpse of a culture that defies categorization, and a tangible connection to a time when magic and reality intertwined. As research continues, the artifacts remain a puzzle, a complex tapestry of questions and enigmas that challenge conventional wisdom. They are a testament to the rich and diverse tapestry of human history, a reminder that our understanding of the past is still fragmented and incomplete. Number 5. The Phantom Predator. The jungles of Borneo, thick and impenetrable, have long been a source of intrigue and mystery. But it was a particular discovery that ignited the fascination of biologists and wildlife enthusiasts alike: the elusive phantom predator. Reports of this mysterious creature started with the indigenous tribes, who spoke of a ghostly beast that roamed the deep jungle, rarely seen but often heard. Its cry, a haunting and unique sound, resonated through the dense foliage, chilling the bones of those who dared venture too close. The phantom predator, as it came to be known, was neither a myth nor a legend. It was a real, tangible mystery that beckoned researchers from around the world. Tracks were found distinctly different from any known animal in the region. Eyewitness accounts, though rare, were credible and consistent, describing a creature unlike any other, with a mix of features that defied classification. Attempts to capture images or video of the phantom predator were met with frustration and failure. It seemed to possess an uncanny ability to evade detection, moving silently through the jungle, leaving behind only faint traces of its presence. The intrigue grew as more information was gathered. The creature's diet, behavior, and habitat did not fit any known predatory pattern. It seemed to be an enigma, a biological anomaly that challenged the very foundations of zoology. Theories abounded, ranging from an undiscovered species to a hybrid creature resulting from an unusual crossbreeding. Some even suggested a prehistoric survivor, a link to a time when the world was wild and unknown. Local tribes regarded the phantom predator with a mix of fear and respect, considering it a guardian of the jungle, a mystical entity that held the balance of nature. Its presence was a sign of a healthy ecosystem, a protector of the delicate harmony of life. As the search for the phantom predator continued, it became a symbol of the wild's enduring mysteries, a reminder that nature still holds secrets that are beyond our grasp. Its elusive nature made it a legend, a creature that existed in the shadows, a part of the jungle's soul. The phantom predator is more than just an unexplained discovery. It's a manifestation of our eternal fascination with the unknown. It's a call to explore, to question, and to marvel at the complexity and wonder of the natural world. The jungles of Borneo remain its sanctuary, a place where the phantom predator thrives, untamed and unspoiled. Its existence challenges us to look beyond the obvious, to embrace the mysterious, and to recognize that our understanding of the wild is still limited, filled with uncharted territories and undiscovered wonders. Number 6. Inexplicable weather phenomena. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, a weather phenomenon has been observed that defies all conventional explanations. In a specific region, isolated thunderstorms occur with such regularity and precision that they cannot be attributed to mere chance or standard meteorological patterns. These thunderstorms, always occurring at the same location and with an unexplained intensity, have puzzled meteorologists and researchers. There is no apparent reason for the atmospheric instability in this particular area, and the storm's consistency suggests an underlying mechanism not yet understood. Local tribes have incorporated these storms into their folklore, considering them spiritual manifestations or omens. For them, the phenomena are not merely weather events, but are deeply entwined with their beliefs and traditions. Scientific investigations have only deepened the mystery, as the phenomena don't align with known weather patterns or geological features. The inexplicable weather events serve as a reminder that even in our technologically advanced age, the Earth can still surprise us, presenting puzzles that are yet to be solved. Number 7. Strange insect behavior. The jungles of Madagascar are renowned for their unique and diverse ecosystems, but one discovery has left entomologists both fascinated and perplexed: a strange and coordinated behavior among a particular species of insects. These insects, unlike any other known species, display a collective intelligence and cooperation that is baffling. They build complex structures, engage in coordinated hunting, and even seem to communicate in ways that suggest a level of social organization previously unseen in insects. What makes this discovery even more intriguing is that the behavior is not confined to a single colony or group. It appears to be a species-wide trait, indicative of an inherent and unexplained ability. The understanding of insect behavior has been fundamentally challenged by this finding, opening new doors to research and questions about intelligence, communication, and social structure in the animal kingdom. As with many of the jungle's mysteries, the strange insect behavior serves as a reflection of the complexity and richness of life on Earth. It is a discovery that encourages us to look closer, to question our assumptions, and to recognize that our understanding of the natural world is far from complete. It's yet another example of how the jungles continue to intrigue and mystify, revealing secrets and wonders that challenge our perceptions and expand our sense of what is possible. Number 8. Mysterious jungle sounds. In the dense and remote jungles of the Amazon, explorers and scientists have repeatedly reported hearing mysterious sounds that have no known origin. These sounds, described as otherworldly hums, strange whistles, and unexplained echoes, have become a perplexing enigma for researchers. Unlike typical jungle noises, these sounds seem to follow no recognizable pattern and are often heard in areas where no known animal or natural phenomenon could produce them. They persist both day and night and have been captured on recording devices, ruling out mere hallucinations or misinterpretations. Local tribes often attribute these sounds to spirits or supernatural entities, while some scientists hypothesize that undiscovered species or unique geological activities might be the source. However, all attempts to pinpoint the origin have been met with failure, leaving the mysterious jungle sounds as an unsolved riddle. These auditory phenomena captivate the imagination and remind us that the jungles still harbor secrets, unexplained phenomena that challenge our understanding and inspire both wonder and curiosity. Number 9. Puzzling fossilized remains. In the hidden depths of the Thai jungles, paleontologists made a startling discovery that continues to baffle the scientific community: puzzling fossilized remains that don't fit any known evolutionary tree. The fossils, exceptionally well preserved, appear to be of a creature that combines features of various animal groups in a way that defies logical classification. With a skeletal structure suggesting amphibian characteristics, yet bearing scales and appendages unlike anything seen before, these remains are a true paleontological enigma. Attempts to place the fossils within existing taxonomies have proven futile, and DNA analysis has only deepened the mystery, revealing a genetic makeup that is both unique and inexplicable. The discovery has ignited debates and theories, ranging from an undiscovered branch of evolution to the possibility of convergent evolution occurring in isolation. But the truth remains elusive, and the puzzling fossilized remains stand as a testament to the complexity of life's history and the ongoing quest to unravel its mysteries. Number 10. Unusual water source. In the arid landscapes of Australia's tropical jungles, an unusual water source was discovered that continues to perplex scientists and hydrologists. This water source, a seemingly ordinary spring, has properties that are anything but ordinary. The water emanating from this spring displays chemical compositions and temperatures that are inconsistent with its surroundings. While testing, researchers found elements and isotopic ratios that simply should not be present based on the known geology of the area. Further examination revealed that the water's flow rate and temperature remain remarkably constant, unaffected by seasonal changes or external factors. This stability, along with its inexplicable composition, has led to numerous studies and hypotheses, yet the mystery remains unsolved. Local indigenous populations have revered the spring for generations, considering it sacred and attributing healing properties to its waters. The unusual water source has become a focal point for both scientific inquiry and cultural fascination, symbolizing the enigmatic and unexplored facets of our world. Number 11. Bizarre plant species. Deep within the jungles of Central America, botanists stumbled upon a bizarre plant species that has upended traditional botanical understanding. This plant, unlike any other known species, exhibits behaviors and characteristics that are both puzzling and fascinating. The plant's most striking feature is its ability to change its appearance and texture in response to its environment. It can mimic the appearance of other plants, rocks, or even artificial objects within its vicinity. This chameleon-like ability is accompanied by a rapid growth pattern and a unique method of propagation that does not conform to known botanical principles. Scientists are still struggling to classify this plant, as its genetic makeup, reproductive methods, and adaptive behaviors do not fit into any existing categories. Some have even theorized that it may represent a new family or order within the plant kingdom. This discovery has spurred a renewed interest in botanical research and exploration, demonstrating that even in well-studied regions, nature can still surprise us with novelties and wonders. The bizarre plant species stands as a symbol of nature's endless creativity and complexity, a reminder that the jungles still guard secrets, waiting to be discovered and understood. It challenges our perceptions, broadens our horizons, and encourages us to look with fresh eyes at the world around us, recognizing that there is always more to learn and explore. Number 12. Enigmatic cave paintings. Deep within the jungles of Indonesia lies a secluded cave system adorned with enigmatic cave paintings that have baffled archaeologists and art historians alike. These paintings, unlike any others found worldwide, depict scenes and symbols that defy interpretation. The figures and shapes in the paintings don't correspond to any known culture or historical period. They showcase a combination of abstract designs, humanoid figures, and mysterious creatures that seem to tell a story. But the narrative remains elusive. The use of colors, patterns, and techniques is equally puzzling, suggesting an advanced understanding of artistry that contradicts the presumed age of the paintings. Radiocarbon dating has further confused matters, indicating that the paintings are much older than they appear based on their style and preservation. Local legends speak of an ancient civilization that once inhabited the region, but no concrete evidence has been found to link the paintings to any known people or time. The enigmatic cave paintings stand as a tantalizing mystery, a window into an unknown world that continues to captivate and confound those who seek to unravel its secrets. Number 13. Cryptic animal behavior. In the dense forests of the Congo Basin, researchers have observed a cryptic animal behavior that challenges our understanding of wildlife interaction and communication. A specific group of primates has been found engaging in activities that appear ritualistic, coordinated, and laden with symbolism. These primates, known to be highly intelligent, have been observed arranging objects, marking trees, and participating in synchronized movements that have no apparent survival or social function. This behavior is consistent, repeated, and seems to follow a complex set of rules that researchers have yet to decipher. What makes this discovery so intriguing is the apparent purposefulness and complexity of the actions, suggesting a level of cognition and intent that goes beyond what is typically attributed to non-human animals. Theories have been proposed, ranging from a new form of communication to cultural traditions within the primate group, but concrete explanations remain elusive. The cryptic animal behavior has become a focal point for ethologists and anthropologists, shedding new light on animal intelligence, social structures, and the thin line that separates us from our closest biological relatives. This discovery opens new doors to understanding the minds and lives of the creatures with whom we share our planet. It's a puzzle that invites us to rethink our assumptions, to look beyond the surface, and to recognize the profound complexity and depth that exists within the natural world. It's yet another example of the jungle's ability to surprise, enlighten, and inspire awe in those who dare to explore their hidden depths. Number 14. Unearthly jungle terrain. Within the dense jungles of the Philippines, an extraordinary terrain has been discovered that seems almost unearthly in its appearance and composition. This area, hidden and untouched for centuries, features geological formations that are both stunning and inexplicable. The terrain is characterized by vibrant colored rocks, unusual crystalline structures, and a landscape that appears to shift and change over time. Soil samples reveal mineral compositions that are rare and inconsistent with the surrounding region, defying geological understanding. Scientists and geologists who have explored the area have been left perplexed, unable to explain the origin or nature of these formations. Some of the features resemble known geological phenomena, but are distorted and exaggerated in ways that have never been seen before. Local folklore tells tales of enchanted lands, and the unearthly terrain has become a symbol of the mystical and unexplained. This extraordinary discovery serves as a reminder of the planet's ability to astonish and mystify, offering landscapes that challenge our perceptions and inspire wonder. Number 15. Otherworldly night skies. High above the jungles of the Andes, where the air is thin and the world seems to touch the heavens, stargazers have observed night skies that can only be described as otherworldly. These skies, clear and untouched by urban light pollution, reveal celestial phenomena that have puzzled astronomers and inspired dreamers. The star formations, comet trails, and atmospheric phenomena witnessed here are unlike those seen elsewhere. Unexplained lights, unusual alignments, and ethereal glows have been captured on telescopes, igniting curiosity and speculation. Some of these phenomena have been attributed to unique atmospheric conditions, while others remain unexplained, adding to the allure of these mystical skies. Local indigenous communities have long revered the night skies in this region, incorporating them into their spiritual beliefs and cultural practices. The otherworldly night skies of the Andes are more than just a visual spectacle. They are a gateway to the universe, a cosmic riddle that invites us to ponder our place in the grand scheme of things. This breathtaking discovery reminds us that the wonders of the universe are ever present, waiting to be observed and appreciated, urging us to look up and embrace the mysteries that lie beyond our earthly realm. It's a testament to the boundless beauty and enigma that our world and the cosmos continue to offer.